Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use MetaMask for trading. Install MetaMask, create a secure password, and back up your seed phrase in a safe offline location. Next, learn to fund your wallet with ETH or tokens, set network settings, and enable 2FA for added protection. I will guide you step by step through adding tokens, adjusting gas, and preparing trades with clear, practical tips for beginners and intermediate users. Fund your MetaMask wallet by sending ETH or tokens from an exchange to your wallet address, and always test with a small amount like 0.01 ETH first. Then add custom tokens using the token contract address and confirm decimals and symbol to display balances correctly. I'll explain checking transaction confirmations, avoiding fake token contracts, and using token explorers to verify addresses so you can trade confidently without losing funds to mistakes or scams. Connect MetaMask to a trusted exchange or DEX and always review trade details, gas fees, and slippage tolerance before confirming a swap. I will show how to set custom gas prices to speed up or save on transactions and explain approving spending limits versus unlimited approvals. Learn to revoke approvals regularly, check pending transactions, and use hardware wallets for higher value trades to reduce risk and improve control over your funds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.